Hi, I'm Afnne from Afnne Creates. Today I'm organizing my beat so everything is ready for my next life. So I can see everything more clearly when I'm creating. Before this, I have everything in different bags and it was hard to keep track of what I had. So I decided to take some time and organize everything into this drawer just to make the process easier and more organized for me. I am organizing everything in a simple way so it makes it easier to find later. So when I'm creating, I don't have to stop and look for things. I can just focus on the process and enjoy it more. Having everything organized like this really helps, and especially when I'm live and creating at the same time, because I can move faster and make better decisions without feeling lost. It's already starting to look much better, so I can see everything clearly now. It feels more and put together, so it make a very big difference when working with small detail. This part of the process for me is when I am learning and helping my family, working behind the scenes and getting everything ready before creating new pieces. Taking the time to organize like this really helped feel more prepared, and I really love what I do. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.